Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and here we have a very interesting riddle which says that we have a deck of 52 cards and 13 cards among them are facing upwards. These 13 cards are randomly distributed among the deck. We don't know where these 13 cards are placed. They can be anywhere. What you have to do is, and remember you are blindfolded. Please excuse my drawing. We are blindfolded, and what you have to do is make two piles from these 52 cards such that each of the pile has same number of cards facing upwards. You have to make these two piles without looking and without anybody's help. So try this riddle. Seems impossible, but it's okay. I will be giving you the solution also in the next video. If you want to know the solution, don't forget to watch that video, and if you like it, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back, and here I am with the solution of the first riddle, which was the cards riddle. And let's see how to solve this riddle. So what you have to do is you take the first 13 cards from the pile of 52 cards and you separate them out. So now you have two piles, first pile with 39 cards and second pile with 13 cards. Now what you do is you flip the second pile, which is of 13 cards, and then these two piles will actually have same number of cards facing upwards. Let's see how. So in total, we have 13 cards in these 52 cards which are facing upwards. So when we separate them out, let's say in the second pile you have 8 cards which are facing upwards in the second pile. Then 13 minus 8 is 5. So you will have 5 cards facing upwards in the first pile. After you flip the second pile, what happens is, if 8 cards were facing upwards earlier, after flipping, only 5 cards will be facing upwards. And then you have same number. Let's see another example. Let's say if you have 4 cards instead of 8, you have 4 cards which are facing upwards in the second pile. So how many are facing downwards? 9 cards are facing downwards. After you flip them, 9 cards will be facing upwards and 4 cards will be facing downwards. So now we have 9 cards facing upwards in the second pile. Let's see in the first pile, in total we had 13 cards facing upwards, and initially we had 4 cards. So here we have 9 cards facing upwards. So it was that simple. I will bring many more such riddles for you. Keep watching Math Soup, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.